A cross-country runner runs 4 kilometer due north and then 6.7 kilometer in a southeast direction. So if I want to draw the direction, then we can easily understand. Suppose this is one direction. Here we can say by using the idea of news, NESW. Okay, then we can easily solve it. Here, that's the question says a cross-country runner runs 4 kilometer due north. Okay, so this is the 4 kilometer. This is 4 kilometer. Okay, due north. So this is from a point. So we can say this is point A. Now, and then 6.7 kilometer in a southeast direction. So what does southeast direction mean? Southeast direction means actually the middle direction of south and east. That is called southeast. Okay. Here, southeast direction will make 45 degree and 45 degree. Southeast will make 45 degree on east and 45 degree on south. Okay. So here the question says, then she runs 6.7 kilometers. Suppose this measurement in a southeast direction. Okay. Southeast direction. This measurement will be southeast. So this measurement will be 6.7 kilometer. Okay. Now he is reaching at point B. Now the question says, how far is she from her starting point? Now we need to find out the distance of A and B. Here, when the runner goes from point A to this point, suppose this one is point C, she goes 4 kilometers. Then from C to B, that is the southeast direction. That means it will create 45 degree. Then she runs 6.7 kilometers towards B. Now the question asks to find out the measurement of AD. Here it will be better if we use cosine formula. So cos 45 degree equal to opposite of angle C will be small c. Okay. 4 and 6.7. So 4 square plus 6.7 square minus c square divided by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6.7. Now we need to solve it. At first we will multiply 2 into 4 into 6.7 with cos 45 degree. Then we will add 4 square plus 6.7 square. Then what will you get? 37.9. Now, if we add 4 square plus 6.7 square, 60.9. So, c square will be 60.9 minus 37.9. So, c square will be, here c square will be 23. So, c will be square root of 23. So answer will be 4.8 kilometer. Now we can say she is 4.8 kilometer away from her starting point. So the distance of AB will be 4.8 kilometer.